Here I've got Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to activate color correction on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open accessibility, and then go to the very bottom of the list. Here you will notice color correction, so just click here, and now you can smoothly activate this feature by tapping on this feature. And as you can see, now it is active. You can see the difference in colors, and also you can change the color mode. So just click on correction mode and pick one from the following options. It's up to you, whichever you prefer, and smoothly use your device in this correction mode. And then whenever you would like to deactivate this feature, just click here, and now you're back in default setup. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.